So we start off today's video with this DIY table transformation. As you guys know, if you follow this channel already, I love watching these. I think it's just so amazing to be able to craft and make your own table. And I really like how she added the pieces on the wood to give it that fluted effect that's trending right now. This is so cute. And she went with like a dark stain for this. This is absolutely gorgeous. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have that same creator making some tile coasters. I love this idea. I like the color mix that she's using for these as well. She's just using like these really fun, bold colors. And you can actually grab these from the dollar store. Like, how cute are these? Absolutely love that idea. And she can add those to her new table and just make the colors pop even more. Just so much fun. And then we have someone showing us some different ideas that you can use with a Target vase. Oh, she's using it as a tissue holder. Oh, that is so clever. Oh, I like the little heart ribbon she tied around the top too. That's pretty. DIY disco ball cherry decoration. So it looks like she has a disco pink ornament here. I'm trying to think, like, what would you do with this DIY? Like, just use it as like a little decorative statement piece to hang on the wall, or just put on the table, hanging on your doorknob. I don't know. What would you do with that? It's a cute idea. Just wondering what you would like actually, where would you put it? So then we have a mirror DIY here. So it looks like they're using like different pastel colored clay. Twisting it together. Oh, they're doing the, what do they call it? The squiggly trend, or the bubble mirror. I like this color combination. This is cute. Very nice. And then we have someone making a pom-pom mirror. So I didn't even know, but it seems as if pom-poms are having a moment, and I saw so many DIYs with pom-poms being used, so stay tuned for those. Here we have some pom-pom coasters. I really like the coaster idea. I think that would be like a really fun project to try out. And then we have cosmetic containers. So it looks like she got these from IKEA. Oh, so she just glued these together and then added a different knob at the top. Spray painted it. Oh, that's cute. That's a really simple project too. It's like a really pretty matte black that she did. That's cute. Put her cotton swabs in the other one. Then we got a DIY coffee table. So we have another one of those like bamboo style mats here, place mats. Or is this a rug? Not sure. But they grabbed a trash can And they're gonna just place that around. And this also creates like that nice signature fluted look that's trending. Oh, she used a mirror top. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, she painted over it though. Honestly, I would have liked to have seen how that looked without it being painted over, because that was a really cool idea. So she just used like a black mirror then to do the top? Huh, that's interesting. So we have someone here making over a vase. Looks like they just spray painted it with like the stone colors. Very pretty. Biggest and easiest TikTok trend you can try. Just find a vase. You can get these at like a Target maybe. Actually, you know what? I'd get a vase from the dollar store and spray paint that if you were gonna do it. Because that's gonna be so inexpensive, and then just get the paint. DIY arched doorway. So she made that table. I've seen some of her work before. She's amazingly talented, guys. Definitely check her out. So much inspiration on her feed. She's so talented. Look at this. Now, you would never be able to do this, like, unless you knew how to, like, really work with wood and you had experience on construction homes. I would not suggest trying to do this. But obviously she knows what she's doing. So she created the arch in the doorway. This would be like a statement wall when you walk into your home. Like, you'd want to put this in the area where you wanted to make a big impact. But yeah, don't attempt this unless you know what you're doing, because yeah. Wow, so much fun. That is so cool. Such a statement piece. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's DIY project and ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.